Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to buy Steam games with Steam Wallet 2025. Using your Steam Wallet makes it super easy. Let me show you how to set it up in just a few steps. First, log into your Steam account. In the top right corner, click on your profile name, then select Account Details from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see your current wallet balance. If it's empty, no worries. Just click Add Funds to your Steam Wallet. Now, choose how much you want to add. Options typically range from 5 to 100. Once you've picked your amount, click Continue to select your payment method. You can use credit debit cards, PayPal, or even Steam gift cards. Enter your billing information in the secure fields. Don't worry, Steam keeps everything encrypted. After confirming, the funds will appear in your wallet immediately. Now you're ready to shop. Just browse the Steam store, and when you find a game you love, select Purchase for Myself. Steam will automatically use your wallet balance first, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.